Welcome to the Dolls of India YouTube channel. We present the fourth and final part of our series on tourism in Sikkim, in which we explore Central and West Sikkim. Our previous episode on Gangtok and East Sikkim can be found in the video description below. West and South Sikkim, with its beautiful spots like Peling, Yaksham, Khecheopaldi, Pemiangtse, Richengpo, Hebermyeok, Dirap, Roomtek and Tashiding, is an adventurer's delight. The unforgettable trekking routes, frothing rapids, the backdrop of the Himalayas, all of these make it as beautiful as paradise. Saramsa Garden is about 14 kilometers away from Gangtok on the Pakyong Road. The garden is located between the hill slopes of Pakyong and Gangtok, and is 2 kilometers from Ranipul. Established in 1922, Saramsa Garden started off as a place meant for cultivating fruit for the local colonial officers. But eventually the garden became an orchidarium and a public recreational garden. There is a large greenhouse in the garden as well, which preserves a range of orchids. A small footbridge constructed over a pond adds to the charm of the garden. The Roomtek Monastery, also known as the Dharma Chakra Center, located in its namesake village, 24 kilometers from Gangtok, is known far and wide, and is one of the largest functioning monasteries in Sikkim. It symbolizes the spiritual energy of the Kagyu order of Tibetan Buddhism. Relics brought from Tibet are housed in the monastery, which is situated in a picturesque locale. The main temple shrine is encircled with the monks' quarters and the entrance is decorated with traditional murals. It is said that the Karmapa had a vision of the Hindu Lord Ganesha helping the construction work of the monastery, and consequently a painting of Lord Ganesha has been set up inside. Inside the main shrine, long and round silk banners and ancient thankas are suspended on red pillars. The golden stupa containing the ashes of the Karmapa is highly revered. Buddhist scholars from far and wide come to study and practice Buddhism in the monastery. The monastery is always alive and buzzing with activity, and a visitor can get glimpses of the daily life of Buddhist monks, watching them going about their daily routines. The Temiti Estate, situated in Ravangla, is a government estate that was started in the year 1969 and produces one of the best teas in the world. The steep slopes of the hills emerging from the Tendong Hills produce more than 1 lakh kilogram of this internationally popular premium tea leaves by organic farming. Well-trimmed cherry blossom trees line the path to the processing plant, located amidst fields lush with ferns and grazing grasses. One is further rewarded with views of the Kanchenjunga peaks from the garden. The town of Namchi serves as the headquarters of South Sikkim. It commands a panoramic view of snow-capped mountains and vast stretches of distant verdant valleys. Samdruptse Monastery, 7 kilometers from Namchi, on the Samdruptse hill, houses the tallest statue of Guru Padmasambhava, towering at a height of 135 feet. While the word Samdruptse means wish-fulfilling hill, the locals also believe that the hill is actually a dormant volcano. The Buddhist lamas have been regularly offering prayers so that the volcano does not erupt. The Solafok Chardham site is constructed atop the Solafok hill in South Sikkim. This pilgrimage cum cultural center houses a 26.5 meters tall statue of Lord Shiva and the replicas of all 12 Jyotirlingas in India. It also showcases astounding replicas of the four dhams in India, namely Badrinath, Jagannath, Dwarka and Rameshwaram. The Buddha Park of Ravangla, also known as Tathagata Sal, is situated near Ravangla, at an elevation of 7,000 feet, on the foothills of the Menam Hill. It is located about 65 kilometers south of Gangtok. The park houses a gorgeous 130 feet tall statue of Shakyamuni Buddha. One can stroll through the peaceful locals of on its spacious pathways. The Chojo Lake, surrounded by forests, is also located within the complex. Ralang Monastery, at a distance of approximately 6 kilometers from Ravangla, serves as the residence of approximately 100 monks. The monastery houses numerous genuine Tibetan architecture and paintings. One of the oldest monastery in Sikkim is situated in Tashiding, an idyllic hamlet in West Sikkim, at a distance of around 36 kilometers before the town of Peling. Perched on top of a heart-shaped hill, it overlooks two meandering rivers, Ranthong and Rangit, flowing through the gorgeous valley below. The pristine white peaks of the Kanchenjunga serve as the perfect backdrop to this monastery. The Pemiangise Monastery is another of one of the oldest and premier monasteries of Sikkim. The three-storied structure depicts paintings on its walls and statues of saints and Rinpoches, deified on various floors. Padmasambhava's 8 incarnations in the fierce form can also be seen here. Rabdansar is one of the former capitals of Sikkim. Though the palace is in ruins, the backdrop of Kanchenjunga is simply spellbinding. It is located very close to the Pemiatse Monastery and is surrounded by dense forests. Peling is a beautiful town nestled at an altitude of 7,200 feet, about 130 kilometers from Gangtok. It offers a splendid view of the Kanchenjunga peak as well as a vast portion of the Himalayan range. Around 2.5 kilometers from Peling is the first glass skywalk in India, overlooking a magnificent 137 feet tall statue of Chenrezig. The skywalk as well as the stairs that lead up to it offer a panoramic view of the Teesta and Rangit rivers with the Kanchenjunga peak in the backdrop. Khechopalri Lake, situated at an altitude of 5,600 feet and estimated to be 3,500 years old, is a pilgrimage site for both Buddhists and Hindus. It lies in a small shallow valley, surrounded by dense green forests. A local legend related to the pristine nature of the lake says that if even a single leaf drops onto the lake surface, a bird picks it up and keeps the lake clean. 24 kilometers from Peling, the stunning Kanchenjunga waterfall is one of the largest waterfalls in Sikkim. It is believed that the pristine waterfall originates high up in the glaciers of Mount Kanchenjunga and gushes down from a height of 100 feet into a pool. Situated at a sharp curve on the roadside, tourists need to climb around 50 steps from the road to reach the falls. At a distance of 9 km from Peling, Change Waterfall is a serene waterfall, looking much like a white line, emerging from dense greenery falling from a height of about 300 feet. The falls are situated about 20 minutes downhill by foot, from the last motorable point on the road. 25 kilometers from Peling, the Singshaw Suspension Bridge connecting two gorges is believed to be the highest bridge in the state and the second highest in Asia, with a height of over 100 meters. The bridge offers a spectacular view of the picturesque surroundings, dotted with gushing waterfalls and crisscrossed by a winding stream. After the West Sikkim sojourn, one can return to the Bagdogra airport, after a night halt at Gangtok. The route would follow the gracefully winding river Teesta, passing through beautiful serene landscapes, hosting adventure sports like river rafting, and flowing under numerous bridges all along the route. Thank you for watching this episode. Please subscribe to our channel by clicking on the subscribe button below followed by the bell icon. Please do leave your feedback for the view in the comments section below.